guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be mixing all different kind of glitters into clear slime. So we got all different kind of colors. So like some green here and blue, that's really pretty, and some rainbow colors here, and of course all these kinds of glitters. So let's just get to it. Whoa! Oh guys, look at my slime I made! So guys, I already put glitter in here, but you know, I'm gonna put lots of glitter after. So here it is. It's really jiggly, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Okay, so it's time to just put the glitter, the main thing. Okay, let's just put it like that. There we go. Okay, let's put the glitter in now. So I'm gonna start with silver. So let's open this up. Ooh, that's really pretty. Whoa. All right, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go with gold. So I'm gonna make it look pretty. Ooh. There we go. And let's add orange. This looks really pretty, neon orange. Okay. Ooh, that's really bright and pretty. There you go. Now let's put yellow. Neon yellow. Really pretty too. Okay, I think this is gonna look pretty, but like, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna add another gold. This looks kind of nice. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I got red, and guys, I wonder what it's gonna look like. Guys, comment down below in the post. Before like looking at all of this and see the color, comment down below in the post, what color do you think it's gonna be? I don't know what it's gonna be. This color is really pretty, guys, and it's sequins, so let's put it in. Ooh. Okay, and it sounds so like, oh, that sounds nice. Okay, so now, because I didn't put purple in, I'm gonna put purple in. Ooh. Okay, now let's put blue. Okay, so I'm all done. Now guys, it's time to mix. Okay, so let's do it. Look guys. Oh, that feels so nice. Whoa. Oh, this looks so nice. Oh, look at this, guys. Okay. Ooh, whoa, this looks so pretty. Oh, this looks so nice. Look, guys, listen. Whoa, this looks so cool. Ooh, this is actually really nice. I think it might be like orange. I don't know. It looks really pretty. Whoa, guys, it's mixed colors. It doesn't have only one color. It's so pretty. Ooh, okay, so let's take it out now. Whoa! Whoa, it's really jiggly. Whoa. Whoa, I'm gonna make a tiny bubble. Ready, guys? Okay. Let's just stretch it out. Okay. Oh! Whoa! It's so sparkly, guys. Oh! Ooh, okay. Guys, the best thing is that the bubble doesn't pop. It's like thick and it doesn't pop. Guys, listen. It's so satisfying. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna make another bubble. I like the bubble. It's really nice. Guys, it's so pretty. Okay, ready? Ooh, okay then. Wait, one more time. Oh, okay, that's a big bubble for me. Oh no. Let me make one more time. There we go. I can play music, guys. Listen. Ready? So, guys, as you see, it's not mixed colors. It's actually gold. Like, the main thing is gold, the color. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, guys, look. Ready? I'm gonna roll it like into a ball. kind of. And you know how it's really jiggly, guys? I'm gonna like splat it on the ground. Ready? Flip through to it. Oh, it's so jiggly. Whoa, guys, look what I just did. Okay, so this is actually really big. No, guys, okay, what I was going to say is that it's actually really big that I did that bubble. So, yeah. Okay, guys, I have to say bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big, fat, slimy thumbs up and hit the notification bell, subscribe. And guys, I want you to comment down below in the post. Do you like my slime I made? I think I really did a good job on this slime. And did you like the glitter on it? And guys, before I said to comment down below in the post what color it was gonna be. And if you guessed gold, well, you're correct. If you guessed other colors, well, you're wrong, but it's okay. Bye, guys. Woo! And guys, don't forget to think, smile every day. Bye, guys. Woo! Really jiggly.